What's going on, guys? You're checking out Kyujin HQ. My name is Chris and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video I am super excited about because this is something that kind of came out of left field for me. A company known as Electronics reached out to me and said, hey Chris, we've just created our brand new eSport mouse. Do you want to check it out? I said, sure, send it my way. I've been using this mouse for my daily driver about 4 to 5 days now, and this is something that you guys need to hear about because this is new on the map and it's absolutely great. I contacted them. I said, yo, where did this come from? I started talking to one of the creators of the mouse and got to know him a little bit. And this guy is not just a CEO sitting in a chair somewhere. He's an actual gamer who put his passion into this mouse and delivered to us what he wanted in a mouse. And I feel like it's just something that you all need to see. So they saw how excited I was and they were really cool over there to sponsor a giveaway for this week as well as next week. This week's giveaway is going to be 2 Luminosa mice as well as 2 RGB mouse pads. So 2 winners for this video. There'll be a Gleam link down below in the description. So be sure to enter and hopefully you guys could win. It is limited right now to the US only. I'm sorry about that. It's just the way it is, guys. But this mouse is seriously something that you guys need to see. I'm really excited about it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, guys. My very first impressions when taking this mouse out of the box was just how comfortable it feels in hand. If you're a palm grip or claw grip gamer, both playstyles will work here with this mouse. Now, onto the shell of the mouse, it's something that's already been in existence before, but they've acquired it here for their very first mouse, and I can assure you that all of the internals have been designed by Electronics themselves. The weight of the mouse comes in at just 94 grams, which I feel is a perfect sweet spot here. It's not too light and it's not too heavy. So if you're a competitive gamer, esport gamer, this is really gonna be perfect for you. It's very, very comfortable. It moves super fluid here on your mouse mat. And here's something that's really, really cool as well, as they already give you glides that are already installed on the bottom feet of the mouse, and they even throw in an additional set of glides that you can throw on the bottom if the original ones do wear out. So you don't have to go out and purchase anything like Hyperglides or something like that. One of the things I really love about this mouse is that it comes equipped with a paracord. Now, if you guys out there don't know what a paracord is, basically the texture and the flexibility of the cord itself almost feels like a shoelace. It's super light, doesn't get tangled, doesn't get in the way when gaming. It honestly feels like you're playing with a wireless mouse, which is super crucial when it comes to any type of competitive gameplay. The mouse itself comes with 7 total buttons, and they're all very easy to reach when gaming. Now, the left and right click are made with Omron switches, which are good for 50 million clicks, which is literally the best that you can get. When it comes to the sensor on the mouse, they chose the PixArt 3389 optical sensor, which is literally one of the best in the game. If you're a competitive gamer, this sensor here is 1-to-1 response time. It's super snappy, and you'll have no issues when gaming. I'm super happy that they chose this sensor for this mouse. When plugging the mouse in, the very first thing I noticed was just how bright and vibrant the RGB was in this mouse, and that's really something you don't see in a lot of eSport mice, and I'm very happy they were able to incorporate that without cutting any corners. If you go over to their website and download their software here, you'll notice that the software is very easy to use and very easy to navigate through. You could change everything from the RGB brightness to different patterns of RGB. You could change the polling rate of the mouse. You could change your DPI up to 16,000. Literally change every key here. Set up your own macros, your own profiles, which is really cool. You can even change how fast you can double click, which is awesome. And the best part about it is you could save the profile directly to your mouse. So if you are someone who travels, you could take this mouse, plug it into a brand new PC somewhere, and your profile is saved and ready to go, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, so let's talk price point. This is the most affordable eSport mouse I have ever seen. It's only $40 currently. Now, this is an early bird special. They do expect to increase the price here by a few dollars in the near future. So if you're interested in this mouse, I can't explain to you guys enough here. Pick it up. It's $40 right now. You will not be disappointed. It's only available in the US as right now. It's available on their website as well as Amazon.com. And of course, like always, I will link it down below in the description and the comment section. Now on to the giveaway. A huge shout out to Winston and the guys over at Electronics that made all of this possible for you guys. So this week they're giving away 2 amazing Luminosa eSport mice as well as 2 RGB mouse pads. So that's going to be 2 winners on this week's video alone. Just one, be a US resident and enter the Gleam link down below in the description. But if you don't win this week, don't worry, because next week they're sponsoring another giveaway where I'm going to be giving away 3 more of these awesome eSport mice on another video I have planned for you guys. So be sure to enter the Gleam link and follow me on Twitter as well, QGenHQ. I'll be announcing the winners there with some updates, as well as the winners being announced here on YouTube. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a huge thumbs up, share it with a friend. Jump on that early bird special at $40. Please, you don't want to miss it. Yeah, that's it, guys. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. I love each and every one of you, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.